Hi guys, thank you for coming to my very first ed puzzle. And today we're going to be working on lesson 6.2, describing functions. And the essential question that we're going to answer here is, how can you tell if a function is linear or not? And yes, that is a glaring typo. So we're not going to do a whole lot with this stuff. We're going to go pretty fast because I think you guys understand this stuff already. So first things first, we're talking about investigating a constant rate of change. You guys haven't heard the term constant rate of change, but you know what it is. In fact, this right here gives it to us. This says, the U.S. Department of Agriculture defines heavy rain as rain that falls at a rate of 1.5 centimeters per hour. When they're talking about a constant rate of change, they're talking about basically, remember how whenever we have tables, Mr. U says, oh, our X is increasing by 1 each and every time. Now, down here, our Y will be increasing by 1.5 every time. So we don't have to, add and subtract to figure out if it is for this one. We would just be filling out this table. So, 0, 1.5, 3, 4.5, 4.56, sorry, doing it just in my head really quickly, and then 7.5. All of that. That's all we're going to look at right here. That's all we need to think about for right there. So we're going to go on here and graphing linear functions. The relationship you investigated in the previous activity can be represented by the equation y equals 1.5x, where x is the time and y is the total amount of rain. The graph of the relationship is a line, so the equation is a linear equation. Since there is exactly one value of y for each value of x, the relationship is a function. It is a linear function because its graph is a non-vertical line. So I'm going to not look at this immediately. I'm going to actually look at this math talk. And it says, Carrie said that for a function to be a linear function, the relationship it represents